Hello, Ricky the Racing here, and I'm going to teach you guys how to crack your neck. I have my assistant right here, and we're going to do it step by step. So the first step is to move your chin towards the right, and then once you find the extension, you move it towards up a little bit more with a quick jolt. And here I will have my assistant show you how it's done. Go ahead.
Oh.
So there you go. Please consult your doctor, physician, or chiropractor. I'm just a wedding singer. Peace out.